In the name of God, the merciful, the compassionate. Hello, viewers. Today's news is truly shocking. An incident so horrific that humanity itself would be ashamed. Is it truly possible that a tiny innocent child was subjected to such brutal violence? Was a father's own child deliberately tortured simply to compel him to act? Today, we will reveal to you the complete and shocking truth that is now emerging from Gaza City. Viewers, according to reports, this incident took place in the Al-Maghazi refugee camp located in the Gaza City area where a Palestinian family had ventured out to purchase their daily necessities. But little did they know that this very moment would irrevocably alter the course of their lives. Viewers are saying, according to media reports, this 18-month-old child you see on screen right now, look at his age. His innocence, this innocent child, his name is Karim Abu Nasser, and he was with his father. During this time, Israeli forces intercepted them. What transpired next was that the father and his young son were forcibly separated. The father was then escorted to a military checkpoint while the child was taken into detention. According to accounts from eyewitnesses, these events unfolded at a moment when significant tension and active firing were ongoing throughout the region. Viewers, you are seeing this child just how incredibly innocent he is, and what harm could such a tiny, helpless child possibly inflict upon those brutal beasts who come to these Islamic countries and then, in the name of peace, leave behind nothing but countless dead bodies? Viewers, the child was held captive for approximately 10 hours. During this period, his body was allegedly burned with a lit cigarette. These marks you are seeing on his body are indeed from burning cigarettes. Metallic objects, specifically iron nails, were brutally forced into his flesh. He was subjected to continuous and severe physical torture. The sole objective behind all this was to extract a confession from his father. Audience, just consider this, an 18-month-old infant who cannot even utter a single word, who cannot possibly comprehend the world around him. How could such a horrific act be inflicted upon him? Is this truly humanity, or is it nothing but pure savagery? This is not merely a physical but also a profound psychological and human tragedy. It is not a mere mark or stain upon that child's innocent body. Instead, it is a damning curse and an indelible blemish upon the very faces of all the leaders of the entire Muslim Ummah. According to reports, the child was subsequently handed over to his family through the International Committee of the Red Cross. Medical reports have confirmed the presence of various injuries, and photographs also clearly show visible burn marks. And the father of the child is still being held in police custody. It remains unclear precisely what kind of confession they were attempting to extract from him. In the aftermath of this incident, there has been widespread and intense anger and outrage expressed across various social media platforms. Human rights activists have issued strong condemnations of these deplorable actions. There has been a significant and strong reaction from Palestinian circles. Reports indicate that subsequent to October of 2023, thousands of individuals were arrested within the Gaza Strip. Moreover, UNRWA, alongside various other organizations, has also explicitly mentioned allegations of torture and forced confessions. Viewers, it's crucial to understand that all of this information is based on various media reports. Independent and complete verification has not yet been made available. These images you are seeing have been shared by Gaza City itself on the Arab news channel. The broader Arab media has broadcasted them. My dear viewers, the crucial human aspect to consider is this: if what we are witnessing is truly happening, then has humanity completely perished? Are the world's prominent leaders who are in power merely leaders in name? If this is true, then what could be the future for Gaza or for the people of Gaza? If this is a lie, then what is the truth? The ongoing situation in Gaza presents a clear picture of a humanitarian crisis where children, women, and ordinary citizens have been the most severely affected. Viewers, we sincerely hope that the truth will soon come to light, and if any injustice has indeed occurred, Allah Almighty will surely grant justice. Until then, we will continue to bring you every truth, every piece of news. Dear viewers, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and do share and like the video. I was your host Niaz Ahmed. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.